Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Flamingo Beach in Trelawny, Jamaica. Here you will find this charming 5-bedroom and 5-bathroom house for sale. It offers ample space and comfort. The house was built in 2001 and sits on a little over half an acre of land. The main level includes a breakfast room and an elegant formal dining room. Relax and unwind in the luxurious jacuzzi or enjoy the breathtaking ocean views from the spacious patio. Outside sits a 432 square feet swimming pool, the beautifully landscaped yard with paved walkways boasts a large lawn area against a backdrop of a variety of healthy fruit trees. This property is a true oasis of tranquility and beauty. Please make contact to schedule a viewing and make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
The asking price for this house is US 690,000 or Jamaican $106.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.